Imagine you want to put hello and world in separate lines. Normally you would just press enter key after hello. But how can you write this special key in a robot script? You have to use another special characters in Giant Robot, triple quotation angles here, which indicate a function key or a keyboard shortcut, enter key in this example. Press Ctrl plus opening angle bracket and type enter inside the angles. Run the script. Now the words are in two lines. Note that since there are no spaces in your text now, the triple quotation character, this one and that one, might be no longer needed, and the second line could be reduced to this. So delete the triple quotation characters and run the script. There are no errors and the output looks exactly the same.